Sharks are keystone species in the ocean. They maintain the health of our oceans by predating on ill and weak fish, reducing the spread of disease and increasing the gene pool strength of those fish. Sharks maintain the biodiversity in the oceans. Healthy oceans need sharks, but they are being killed in their millions by the fishing industry as bycatch or for their fins. Many shark species have declined by up to 99% in just the last 100 years. Whales play a much larger role in the ecosystem than most people realise. For much of the mixing of the nutrients in the ocean can be put down to whales, from their physical movement as they swim around churning up the water, to transporting nutrients from the deep and releasing it into the surface waters in their poo. Many whales are recovering from this devastation of the whaling era. However, many still die from entanglement in fishing gear and as bycatch. Corals are in fact tiny animals that have a symbiotic relationship with a microscopic algae called zooxanthellae, which provides food for them through photosynthesis. As reef-building coral grow, they create hard calcium structures as protection. These structures, which eventually are big enough to be visible from space, create the most diverse and productive ecosystem in the oceans: coral reefs. Corals are threatened by damaging fishing practices like trawling, pollution, and climate change. Phytoplankton might not be the most popular of ocean organisms, but it certainly is one of the most important. Phytoplankton are very diverse, but most are single-celled plants consuming carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. They produce up to 50% of the oxygen in our atmosphere. Phytoplankton are the foundations of the aquatic food web and are essential food sources for many creatures from zooplankton up to multi-ton whales. Parrotfish are one of the many ecosystem engineers of the marine world. A lot of people don't know that their diet is actually made up of mainly coral skeletons, and after they've digested this, they release it as a sandy waste. So therefore, whenever you're laying on a sandy beach, you're basically laying on parrotfish poop. Unfortunately, many species of parrotfish are still under threat since they are a popular fish to eat in the tropics and due to coral bleaching.